Hey, what is up guys? This is Atone here, and today I'm going to bring you guys another speed art. So this is for a Reese's Pieces advertisement. So yeah, as you can see, I've been doing a lot of food advertisements on the channel. If you haven't checked those previous ones out, make sure to do so, and there'll be a few more coming. But I hope you guys are enjoying them. I tried pretty hard with this one just to do some cool shading, try and make some of my own elements to come out with the design I wanted. So hope you guys enjoy, and peace out. Hey, come on now, man. I see you getting bored. You got this, bro. Just keep watching.